Happy Monday, guys. Today is May the 3rd, I think. Yeah, I think it's May 3rd. If not, correct me in the comments. I know you will. Outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Guys, she got her thick sweats. My almost like everyday sweater, y'all. This weather is just doing whatever it wants, and I'm okay with it. I accept it, and I just put on the right clothes. So, it is very cloudy here, like cloudy, rainy. It might not look like it because of it looks like it's light outside, but it's really not, it's cloudy. But anyway, guys, I'm getting ready to go to work. I have errands to run to after work, and whatever comes along with my day, I will bring you guys along. We may have tea time in the car, or we may not have tea time. I'm not sure. But guys, I will be back in this video, okay? Hope you all had an amazing, amazing weekend. It was beautiful here in Ohio. I got a chance to do a lot of things. I got a chance to take care of a lot of things, and I'm grateful for that. And yeah, great things to come. Guys, see you on the flip side. Hey, y'all, hey. So, I wasn't going to do the tea time, but I said, you know what? While I sit in here, sit in the truck and let it get warm a little bit, and we'll talk for a minute. But guys, this is the, I don't know if you could see, but this is my ginger and turmeric tea that I hauled from Trader Joe's. I keep telling y'all to go over to the other channel, Simply Black Vegan, and you can see my grocery hauls. But this is so good. And the reason why I put it in here, because it'll stay warmer. This is that ceramic container with the bamboo top that I hauled from, I think, World Market. Yeah, this is so good. Guys, I don't have a lot during this tea time, but yeah, just trust and believe it's going to be okay. Trust and believe it's going to be okay. That's all I really have for y'all. I'm sitting here waiting for my laptop to charge up, to be honest, because I actually was going in this place to go get me a charger because for some reason my laptop was just not charging. Like, it wasn't doing anything. It wouldn't even cut on. I felt so silly because I went to the store to see for the charger, and the lady cut it on and it just cut right on. And I'm thinking, like, I've been doing this for 2 weeks or probably 3 weeks and it ain't been cutting on. So that is just so weird. That is so ironic. But guys, here is my spritzer. The water is warm, but this is my lime and lemon water. I'm gonna drink this throughout my day, and yeah, I'm gonna try to do this like for a whole week and see if I feel any different or anything like that. But yeah, guys, my laptop is charging right now. If you guys can see, can you see the button right here? This lit right there. Now it's charging. I had one of those charger things in my truck that can take the 3-prong one or the regular one. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to think what else I gotta do today. I gotta go drop some stuff off to a client, and I don't know what else, y'all. Like I said, it's so rainy. It's like there's really not so much you can do but work and take care of other little things. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in, give you a little heads up on the tea time. And yeah, guys, things get better with time. That's all I can say. Things get better with time. Just keep trusting, just keep believing, and keep having faith. These braids are gonna have to come out pretty soon. Pretty soon. All right, y'all, I'll see you guys a little later this evening. All right. Hey guys. I am currently back home, and I have to fix me some oatmeal, y'all. Some oatmeal. This is the last pack of this maple and brown sugar we were supposed to take on the trip. I'm gonna use that. That takes some time to get used to. I'm so used to my old-fashioned oats, I can't do it. So we'll be back on that kick pretty soon, because like I said, this is the last pack for that. I'm using some cinnamon. Put a little bit of that in there. I wanted to make a tofu scramble. I don't know, I might make that for dinner or something. I'm not sure. So yeah, and I'm gonna use some that was cinnamon, y'all. I'm gonna use some raisins. And that's gonna be it, y'all. This is like my evening snack, I guess. Because I just had the lemon water stuff, and I had my vitamins, and my tea. That was it. That's all I had today so far. Just trying to, y'all, it is okay to like not eat in the morning. But just maybe an apple or a fruit or something like that. But it's okay if you don't want to eat a big meal in the morning and then like later on in the evening you can find yourself eating something big but healthier big, so you won't feel like constipated or anything. So that's kind of like what I do sometimes from time to time. So yeah, just want to throw that in there. But guys, this is what I'm gonna have for a little snack. So today, what am I doing today? Oh, today I'm gonna take y'all in the back. I gotta wipe down the back door, and I gotta wipe down the back entrance. You know, like clean the floor, sweep the floor rather, and mop it and stuff. And I'm gonna be using the new mop today, because I'll show you guys. I'll come back and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use, because I don't have any of those cloths that when I bought that infused Cabela rug. I mean, what is it called? Cabela mop. I think it's called Casabella mop. It didn't come with like the little things that you would slide, the actual flat thing when you will scrap the water. It don't have the little pads that go to it, but I do have a towel that I use like to wipe up stuff. I'm going to use that to use on the floor. That's another thing I don't like all this oatmeal. Why is it so? I only put a little bit of water, but this is what it looks like, y'all. It doesn't look right to me. It looks really. Can y'all see that? It looks really. Oh, that's too bright. It looks really watery. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, but yeah. So guys, I will be back in a little while, and then we're gonna do a little clean with me, but I need to get something in this belly. I'll see you guys. Hold the line. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all for all of you that are new, this is my new mop, what is this? Casabella infused mop. So that is what it looks like. Has a little spray handle right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take this rag that I have that I usually, ouch, ooh, something stuck me, that I usually use on the, you know, like on spills and stuff. So I'm just going to cut this. And I think it has like, I'll just show you guys after I cut this, because it is like a little area on here. Let's just do this first. Let's just cut this and then we'll come back, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and cut my rag and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm sorry. I couldn't cut it. I could not cut this and hold this at the same time. But as you can see, there are some grooves right here. So I'm able to take these the little groove pieces, well not pieces, but the little grooves, and connect and just press this rag on here. Because it's like some Velcro stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to mop the floor after we sweep it. I gotta sweep it, vacuum the rug and all that kind of stuff, and wipe off the door. So you guys are gonna come along with me. So look, it stays. Yeah, I'll be back. We're gonna clean. We're going to clean with our new mop. This is what she looks like. This is her handle. So you'll squeeze that, and there she is. That's our new mop. guys, we're going to end this video. I'm glad you guys tuned in with me. So guys, I'm going to give our new mop a thumbs up. The only thing that was wrong is I just need to find the right pads to go on the little grooves, but it did do the trick. I will show you guys the rag. Hold the line, please, because this floor was dirty. But my whole intention was to clean the back door, you know, clean the walkway where we hang our coats up the wall. This is where all the company enters and how we enter back and forth. And this area gets dirty like all the time. So it needed to be really clean and refreshed. So hold the line and I'll show you guys the rag. All right, guys, here's the proof. You see our dirty rag? Very filthy, right? Very filthy. Maybe I can tone it down a little bit and then you really can see. Look at this filthy rag. Filthy, filthy. So yes, she does the trick. I added Dr. Bronner's, water, baking soda, and vinegar. So yeah, guys, that is our truth. And like I said, we are clean. Our area is clean now and we can enjoy. So guys, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guess what? Remember to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. See you tomorrow.